Jason just used this Allen key to clean this hole, and he took out the stem. Now he's going to put on new tires.
Yep. So this is the front. So if you look at my bike, the brake goes on this side.
And then the tread on yours. Now he's putting it on, folks.
Putting it on. Now, see, do the valve stem on the top. Put the maxes right there. Start it on the bottom. Work your way around. And then you need your sealant. Pour your sealant in there. So you shake your sealant up. You unscrew the top. That way you don't use the little hole, because you want to get the chunks. That's what fills a hole. And you put some in there, about like that much.
They said 3 to 4 ounces, folks.
Pull this over.
Oh. See, I spill it everywhere.
See if we can do this without a lever. Just like that.
There we are, folks.
No lever.
Thanks for watching. He's gonna try the pump method, even though we have.
What you do?
Even though I took out my air compressor.
You take the valve core out, but you have it ready to screw in. And you take your 15-year-old pump, put it on there.
Look at him go. Pump it up. 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 Pump it. You're gonna hear it go. Ooh, there was one. Look at him go. Look at him go, folks. He's got. Look at his neck.
Yep.
Dude, I can see his
Look at my neck.
jugular. He's
You go up.
Jugular.
You go up a little above 30, and then you put your finger on it.
Ooh, finger method.
And then, oh, it fell out. You gotta get the core ready.
Got a special core tool. Oh, look at him go. Ooh.
And then you get it tight. That way nobody's pump unscrews it. And then you shake it up. It's good to go. That's a tire.
Thanks for watching.
So see all this stuff? You gotta pick that shit off.
I did on my other. I did that. I was like,
Every time you change a tire.
I saw it.
Every time you change a tire, pick that shit off.
What's it called? Dried up.
Dried up stands.
What if it's
Dried up tire sealant. Latex. So it's like burnt up condoms.
burnt up condoms? You heard it first, folks. We're doing another take.
So you take the core out and you clean all the shit out of there. So you open it up and you clean the shit out, because those will make it hard to pump up. So then if you ever got a tire hole or a slice or anything, and then you use a hand pump, that can make it hard to pump with the hand pump. And then in the valve, you take a wrench, stick it in there, swirl it around, and get all the shit out so you can see in there good. That way you know it flows air really good. That's all. Thanks for watching.
Okay, he's putting it on.
All right, so you got it on. Max this on the valve stem or whatever brand you run. Flip it over. You do the valve stem last. So you start putting it on here. Messed up.
This is part of the video where I fast forward to speed it up.
And then you take this, shake it, unscrew the cap, pour it in. This is the rear tire. Sometimes on the rear you want a little bit more than the front because most flats are on the rear.
What happens if you drink that?
It's kind of like beer. It'll make you feel good and then it'll make you feel bad.
Think you'd have to go to the hospital and get a stomach pump?
Depends how much you drink. Ask me how
You
I
told
know.
me that you had to put the cap back on in the last video because you didn't want to spill. It looks like you're about to spill it.
Oh, I'm good. I'm experienced. So now we got that. So you lean it against your refrigerator. The valve core is out.
Oh! Good thing you put the cap on.
Yep. So we got the valve core ready. Stand this guy back up.
Stand it back up. See, stand it back up. Stands.
Get this on there, all situated. See, this one's a cut. So you have to make sure and get the core tight because some hand pumps like Lezyne brand hand pumps thread on there. Then when you unscrew it, it'll take the core out. And then you're on the trail side, all your air comes out after you pumped it for 5 minutes. And it sucks.
All right, now he's going to show us.
So you thread it in there real tight.
You got this.
You put this adapter on for the air compressor.
There he goes, folks.
Grab the air compressor. Kind of put your hand on here a little bit.
I didn't hear it pop.
It's gonna pop. There we go.
We go. Ooh.
There we go.